Welcome to Virtual Pools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Virtual Pools lead generation plugin to your Framer website. It only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through every step, from copying your unique code to embedding it on your site. Let's get started. First, log into your Virtual Pools dashboard. Go to the Customer section and click on Lead Generator. And choose your preferred language from the menu. Copy the provided link or code. Finally, open your Framer editor. Click the plus insert button in the top left corner and type embed. In the search bar, you'll see an embed option. Drag it into your desired section. A code box will appear. And on the right side, you'll see customization options. Select HTML, then paste your lead generator link into the box and press enter. Your lead generator will now appear live on the page. To preview how it looks on your live site, click the preview icon in the top right corner. Camera access is supported on Framer. For the best experience, be sure to enable camera access so visitors can take photos directly. And that's it. Your Virtual Pools lead generation tool is now live on your Framer site, ready to capture new pool design leads. If you ran into any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. For more guides, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.